He has a new attorney who is making a new defense, hoping for leniency. Matthew Johns trying to explain to the judge why he did this. Johns, then an Atlanta police officer, ran up to a suspected car thief, Untreated Payne, 15 years old, who was already face down on the pavement, arms outstretched, surrendering, no weapons. And Johns kicked Payne in the head 3 times and pressed his knee into Payne's neck. Payne lost consciousness. Johns, who has since been fired, pleaded guilty earlier this month to 8 crimes, including aggravated assault. He was supposed to be sentenced at this hearing, facing years in prison. But his new attorney, Ramona Bird Jones, told the judge that last week Johns had a psychological evaluation for PTSD. Johns, a Marine, served 2 tours of duty in Iraq before becoming an Atlanta police officer. And Jones asked the judge to postpone sentencing Johns.
To prove to the court, to show to the court that he does have these issues and that they could have contributed to the incident on September 15, 2016. So what we're asking for is additional time to be able to find alternatives to sentencing and present those to the court.
Prosecutor Adam Abate asked why Johns never brought this up earlier in the case and why 10 years after his discharge from the Marines, it's coming up now. Abate insisting that none of it excuses Johns from what he did.
This diagnosis has absolutely nothing to do with the events that occurred on September 15, 2016. The evaluation actually makes no reference to how they particularly relate to how the stopping and kicking of untreated Payne and aggravated assaults had anything to do with his alleged diagnosis.
Fulton County Superior Court Judge Constance Russell granted Johns a month to pull together his case for leniency based on PTSD. But Judge Russell said she will grant no more delays. She will sentence Johns on August 26th.